Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This is JBL Bar 800. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV via HDMI cable. HDMI cable is included in the packaging. This soundbar is with wireless subwoofer and 2 rear speakers. These are the rear speakers. One is left and the other one is right. And both of them are currently switched off. Soundbar is switched off. If you switch the soundbar on, and the soundbar is showing us hello TV, then if you look, the rear speakers, you see a white light, steady white light, and a steady white light. Now, what I want to do is for us to hook this up using HDMI cable. So take the cable, you can switch off the TV, the TV is off. Go to the back of the soundbar and hook the cable to HDMI out. TV ARC, this port, and it's in. Now take the other end of the cable, go to the back of your TV and hook it up to HDMI in to ARC. We are using LG TV, so you can do this with every other TV. HDMI out. Then you go to the TV in. The next thing to do is you need to switch the soundbar on, then select TV, then switch your TV on, select your TV settings, scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us HDMI ARC device. If it's not in the sound out, you need to select on the sound out, then scroll to the side and look for where it's showing HDMI ARC and you select it. So this is now connected via HDMI ARC device. We want to go to YouTube so you can play any program you want to watch. The reason I go to YouTube is due to copyright issues, so I can't play any type of music. Now I'm going to go to YouTube. So this is the audio. Welcome to Creative Tool School. My name is Vincent. Today I want to show you the process of signing up to StanStore. I'm going to sign up to StanStore, so I'm going to walk through the process with you. StanStore is a tool that many creators are using to sell digital products. I want to give you information about this store. And when it's in HDMI, you can control the volume using the TV remote. This is the TV remote. Or you control the volume using the soundbar remote. Or you go to the top and select plus to increase the volume, minus to decrease the volume. Another option is for you to use the app, JBL One app. We connected this using JBL One app, and this is the app. It will show you audio, TV. Can select remote control as well. And from this app, you will see the battery level, 23%. The left one is 23, the right one is 21%. And you can control or edit the equalizer according to your preference. You can also reset the equalizer, reset. If you reset the equalizer, you go to default setting 0. So you can adjust it accordingly how you prefer the equalizer to be. Then you select OK to adjust it. You can also increase the volume for the rear speaker. The volume is currently high. You can adjust it to mid, low, or mute the detachable rear speaker's volume. If you select more settings, it gives you option for audio sync, night listening. Activate it. Once you activate it, it will switch off the wireless subwoofer. Activate this feature to mute soundbar and wireless subwoofer. And also, if you want to do the calibration, you select calibration for you to calibrate the soundbar. If you want to calibrate it, then you position the rear speakers and select calibrate. If you select calibrate, it will ask you to position the rear speakers to different position. Then after that, it will tell you that the calibration is done. Let's say if you want to do the calibration, then you select calibrate. It will ask you to place rear speakers to a particular position, right, left. Then you select I have placed them. Then it asks you to confirm. Then you select confirm. Then it will start to calibrate. Then it will ask you to position the rear speakers again to different place. You go and take the rear speakers. Now we're going to position them at the back. Then you select I have placed them. Calibration completed, then you select done. So this is how to connect this soundbar to your TV using HDMI cable, and also how to do the calibration. If you want to reset this soundbar, you need to press plus and minus button and the source together. It will show you reset. Thank you very much indeed.